then I bring that back with me. It's not just something that only I experience when I'm gone. It's transformational, so it stays with me. But I think how that helps you move forward is that so many things, but going solo is, first of all, the joy, I think, especially depending on where you're coming from in your experience, that opportunity to make the decisions. You get to decide all the things, right? So you get to decide where you stop and where you eat and where you sleep and what you eat. Like I think I said that, but all of those, all of the things, what music you want to listen to, where you're going to hike, those are all your decisions. And I know, at least in my life before, my life was very typically sort of service oriented towards my family and friends and church and all of the parts of my life. And I think I lost me along the way for sure. I
Yeah.
loved my life in many ways, but
Same. Yeah.
going solo and um, doing all these things on your own, making your own decisions, inevitably there's confidence that starts to come with that,
Yes.
that you didn't realize that maybe you had lost.